Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger. Nice to meet you.
Hey everybody, I'm Bert Badger, and welcome to Nice to Meet You. It's your first time joining us. Nice to meet you. Today, we're gonna go take an adventure in Oakland, California to Guardian Gym and visit their boxing section. It's coached by one of my very dearest best friends in the whole world, Coach Eric, and I can't wait for you to meet him. But first, don't forget, I have a magic fanny pack, and at the end of the show, you get to see what's in my magic fanny pack. All right, Bert Badger is out at Guardian Gym in Oakland, California, ready to show you boxing. Let's check in with him. Take it away, Bert. Thanks, Bert Badger. Hi, I'm Bert Badger, and we're here today at Guardian Gym. What do they do here? Well, they teach boxing. Do you know what boxing is? It's a sport that dates back to over 3000 BC. Wow, it's older than my dad. So I have to show you one of my very dearest, bestest friends. It's Coach Eric. He teaches boxing here at the gym. Eric, I have a question for you. It's pretty serious. What's boxing?
That is a very serious question indeed. Boxing is a sport where it's key to keep your focus as long as you can and to protect yourself at all times.
Wow, that sounds like it takes a lot of time and perseverance to really master that sport, huh?
Yes, it does, Bert.
And you help people do that?
I do.
That's because you're a good guy. Let's check out boxing.
All right, everybody, you know what time it is. It's Friday. Let's get our jump ropes, get warm, get loose.
All right, this is called jumping rope. This gets your cardio moving, it gets your blood pumping, it gets your heart going so that you're ready to do more exercises afterwards, so it gets your body ready to train. Let's do some jump rope. Everyone here is trying to get in shape and just get their exercise in. Such a happy, healthy environment. I love being here. You beat me. You win. You beat me. How did that happen?
Bert, you're a natural. Your rhythm is good. You're staying very consistent. You're gonna make it the whole round. I believe in you, buddy.
Thanks, Coach.
You're welcome. That's what coaches do. They help motivate their students to do their best. You can see, Bert Badger, there's a lot more to boxing than just the boxing part of it. There's a lot of conditioning involved, as well as mental, being prepared and lasting the round.
My fanny pack keeps rubbing on my belly button.
Well, I think you're gonna get better the more you try. Keep it up.
Do I look like a boxer? Thanks.
Right now we are doing our boxing footwork. We're shuffling to our right, we're shuffling to our left, and now we're gonna shuffle in. And out.
I'm using the pool noodles to make sure they have their hands up.
That's defense.
What happens when you come forward?
We're going left.
Right.
Which way is right? This way. If you said this way, bonus points. I don't want to catch a pool noodle in the face. I can? Ah, did I? You sneaker.
Down. Down.
What is it?
Mohammed.
Your name's Mohammed?
My name's Ali.
No, stop it.
What's your name?
No, it is.
Bert Badger. What's your name?
My name's Ali.
Heck yeah, it's Mohammed and Ali here. That's one of the best boxers of all time.
And then when we say down, when Brandy or myself say down, you want to grab the ball, and whoever gets it first, that's going to be the first round. The next round, we're going to add the burpees. So have some fun for the first round right here. We're just with our partners, okay? We're just working. Whenever Brandy or myself say down, you want to grab the ball. Nice job.
If you ever have like a bad day at school, and you can come here and you can let out all that frustration or just irritation and just get rid of it in a healthy way where you're not getting in trouble with actually fighting somebody. And it's a good exercise and everybody here is like super nice. Like everybody here like is like one of my best friends.
It's so great that kids can come here and hang out and have a healthy relationship, get their frustrations out in a positive way. It makes Bert Badger so happy.
Bert Badger, great job. How are you feeling, buddy?
I feel vindicated by boxing, that's for sure. I'm having such a great time. Everyone's so positive and happy. And this is such a great environment you provided for everybody, Eric.
Thanks, Bert. I try my best. We just ask that you try your best when you come to the gym and try to make, do better than you did last time.
What are you doing right now?
Doing the Michael.
What color are Mohammed's boxing gloves? What's that? Blue, that's right. If you said blue, bonus point. Bing. If you said silver, extra bonus point.
Number one rule of boxing is protect yourself at all times. That's why you gotta keep your hands
Bonk. Bonk.
hands are low.
I'll pick you both and say, oh!
Why do you, bro? Why do you do that?
1-2, and then I'm coming back with a 1-2. Okay, again, I'm gonna get past that front hand.
Okay.
What is this teaching?
This is teaching us to keep our hands high, but what you want to do is you want to give him a front hand and a rear hand. Not here, but here.
Can we punch him through?
And you want to stand back.
Yeah,
one little bit, okay? And the reason for that is because if you are here, Mo, focus. If he's here, what are you going to do? Ali, if he's here, what are you going to do?
You can easily hit his face or his body.
Yep. So if he's here, he's gonna protect himself, right? So he's got a front hand and a rear hand. Okay, now you're gonna punch his front hand. And now, there you go. There you go.
All right, let's light it up now. One person going now. Stop 1-2. The other person.
Ali is so much faster than me.
Don't mind him. He gets tired really easily. Almost there. He's using the remainder of his energy.
Oh my goodness. It is so hard to keep your arms up for this long. That's why strength and conditioning and endurance is so important with boxing. My shoulders are already hurting and I haven't even done very much. Wow, man, I can actually feel it. You're doing great, bro.
Keep going.
Wow. Good job, dude. Wow. This is Coach Brandy, and she helps run Guardian Gym as well. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Coach Brandy, why is a place like this so important to kids, especially after school?
Guardian is a great place. Kids 10 to 17 train for free here, so we provide free martial arts training in boxing and jiu-jitsu, which is great not only for self-defense, but to let anything out that's on your mind.
And they get the chance to meet really cool, like-minded people who are super positive and happy and people that they can relate to, is what I just noticed.
Yeah, absolutely. I wish I had something like this when I was growing up. When you learn self-control in a place like this, it really helps you keep your cool in the real world.
Well, I probably need to come to a couple more classes then.
We'd love to have you.
He's gonna slip, keeping his hands up, and then I'm going to slip.
Teacher, go. In.
Good, that's perfect.
Yep. Bonus
You did it first,
point.
bonus points for Mohammed. Hey, I give out the bonus points here, you silly goose. Good job. Boom! Bonus points for everybody.
Let's go for you again.
Good. Good. Get that slip in there. Slip.
Hi guys, I'm here with Mohammed and Ali. That's their real names. He floats like a butterfly and he stings like a bee. Okay, I'm a goose. What is your favorite thing about boxing, Mohammed?
I'd say coming to Guardian Gym and boxing is like, it occupies me after school and it's just a great environment to learn and practice what you love.
That's a perfect answer. And I'm sure everybody totally was like, this guy's awesome, because you are. Ali, what is your favorite thing about boxing, you silly goose?
My favorite thing about boxing is I get to get around in the great environment. A lot of good people, they really want to help you with your boxing and your boxing skills. And I'd like to thank all the coaches for teaching us. And I would like to thank Badger for coming here.
Of course, dude. This was great. You guys were so good at teaching me boxing and like.
He's a natural.
Yeah.
Well, you guys are naturals too, and it was so fun learning boxing from you guys today. Thank you so much for showing me boxing and everything today. What's your favorite part of the sport?
The exercise and like the fulfillment you get afterwards when you're done and you're tired and then you can finally relax.
Exercise is so fun. You have muscles.
Exactly, they're awesome.
Do you feel strong after you get done boxing?
Yeah, I feel like I can lift up like a planet. I feel great.
Hey, Coach Eric, do you want to see fire? What'd you think?
Needs work.
Okay. How's that?
Not too bad. You wanna, try to get, you kind of wing the hook right here. Try to get where you're making that contact. Start with a tall fist like this. Just check it. Like don't go all the way through just yet so you know you're gonna land the punch. So start in to turn in, where you twist like this, put the weight on your front foot, and then kind of lean back, drop the weight on your heel. So get that mechanic of like shifting your weight in and place it first, so that way you know you're gonna land it.
Coach Eric, thank you guys so much for showing us boxing today here in Oakland, California at Guardian Gym. We're gonna throw it back to the studio with the one, Bert Badger. I've been Bert Badger. Take it away, Bert Badger. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me at Guardian Gym. It's not just about punching people, but it's about protecting yourself, and you can make really, really good positive friends there. So if you ever have an inkling for boxing, make sure you talk to your parent or guardian about it. Now it's time for my favorite game in the world. No, you silly goose.
No, you silly goose.
Okay, all right, okay, all right. All right, I got it. Do you put worms in your chocolate chip cookies?
No, you silly
goose. That would be too slimy. Yuck. Now we're gonna check out one of my favorite songs in the whole wide world. Pizza, pizza party, hey, hey. It's on my album, and you can listen to that for free on YouTube or any other streaming stations. So check it out when you ask your parent or guardian. Take it away, Bert Badger. Pizza, pizza party, hey, hey. 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 Pepperoni sausage, cheese stuffed crust. Extra cheese, please, marinara's a must. Gooey, gooey cheese goes right on top. Make the cheese vendor go out of stock. Do you want delivery or DiGiorno? Doesn't matter, I want it pronto. Deep dish is great, I chow it down. I always pick the best pie out in town. Pizza, pizza, I wanna eat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna treat ya. This song is about pizza, here we go again. Pizza, pizza party, hey, hey. Pizza, pizza party, hey,
hey. Pizza, pizza party. Hey, hey. Pizza, pizza party.
Hi.
30 minutes or it's free. I want my pizza now. All pizzas taste different, but still great somehow. Garlic crust tastes so good, I want it every time. And if you ask for a slice, I'll say sure it's fine. I love pizza so much I'd even eat it with a mime. Or if I had to wait 1,000 years of time, I'd still write this pizza song, I'd write this rhyme. Pizza, pizza, I wanna eat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna treat ya. This song is about pizza, here we go again. Pizza, pizza party. Hey, hey. 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 Pizza, pizza, I wanna eat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna treat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna eat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna treat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna eat ya. Pizza, pizza, I wanna treat ya. This song is about pizza, here we go again. Pizza, pizza party. Hey, hey. 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 Yay, that's the pizza party song. One of my favorite songs in the whole world to sing. Pizza, pizza party. Hey, hey. That's such a great song because I love pizza so much. Now it's time to check in and see what's in my magic fanny pack. Magic fanny pack, pack. My fanny, manny, ranny, hanny, granny, blanny, danny pack. My Danny pack. What? My fanny pack. Okay. Of course, it's a slice of pizza. I love pizza so much. I wrote a song about it that you just heard 2 seconds ago. This is so good. I like this one. Not a big fan of the black olives, but if I had my choice, my favorite pizza would be a regular pizza with sausage, ricotta, and pepperoni. Oh, that would be so good. I want some right now. Can we get pizza to the set, please? Pizza to the set? There's nobody there? It's just me talking to a ladder? Okay. Make sure you eat pizza sparingly. It's not that good for you, but man, does it taste good, and I love it. I try to have pizza once every 2 weeks. No more than that. Well, I guess it's time to say goodbye. So sad to say goodbye. But if you think about it, we get to hang out again real soon. And there's tons of videos on this channel you can check out if today wasn't enough for you. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I've been Bert Badger, and it was nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Man, I wish I could eat this piece of pizza. It looks so good. It's just a toy. I want to bite down too hard. Yeah, this isn't real pizza. Nope, doesn't smell like real pizza. It smells like the bottom of a toy bin. Thank you guys so much for watching the show today. It means so much to us. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and hang out even more, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be up to date on the latest and greatest, Bert Badger, nice to meet you. Hit that notification bell. And don't forget to tell all your buddies about how much fun you had today with the one, Mr. Bert Badger. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Okay, go outside and play, do something productive. I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot.